today I am going to be unboxing and using the Emeril Lagasse automatic pasta and beyond homemade pasta maker. This should be really good. My parents bought this for me for Christmas and my birthday this year, so I am looking forward to trying it out. Let's see how it goes. Crack in and see what we got. Let's see what we have. A piece of cardboard. We have instructions and some recipes. Looks like I think that's a paddle of some kind. Here's the thing. Here is the pasta maker. There. Okay. There. Good. So there's a pasta maker. And let's see what's in this box. Okay. We have something. This looks like a juicer attachment. Lid. Some kind. Oh, little cups. A little liquid. This says LiQWYD. Measuring. It says dry measuring. There's a warning here. The dry measuring cup should be used for flour and is equivalent to 1 1/4 cups once it is leveled off using the blade. So there you go. Bigger. Oh, no. Just what this is. Has a little lip on it, so some kind of a dispenser. Another plasticky thing. Got little feet on the bottom. Oh, there we go. This looks like some kind of, yeah. This is probably the pasta extruder, it looks like to me. And, oh, this is probably for the juicer to like push stuff down into it, I would guess. A little toothbrush thing, a little brush. I guess this is how you're gonna clean it out. Don't know what this is. Maybe this has to do with the meat grinder or something. I don't know. Apparently, I will figure out how to open the pasta maker to get in there and also figure out where all of the other types of extrusions that you can do for the different types of pasta. So I'll figure that out and get this stuff laid out and let you see it all. Okay, so I managed to get the whole thing taken apart now. Looks pretty straightforward. It doesn't look that painful. I did figure out how to get into the container and the mixer, so it's not that difficult. Interesting that there's in the bottom of this, hopefully you can see it, or I'll show you later, there's a little tray that actually holds all the different pasta extruder things. So there's like 8 of them. Looks like this is lasagna noodles, linguine, and spaghetti, and angel hair, and lots of other ones. So there's 8 different ones. Anyway, I had to get all this stuff taken apart because I got to wash it all, and then I'll start making my first batch of pasta. Should be good. All right, so this is everything in the box. It's of any value, no plastic or cardboard or anything. This is literally everything taken apart down to the bare bones. Just start over here with the paperwork, and then some attachments and more paperwork, and the machine's there in the back. I didn't mention earlier, the whole box, when I got it, weighed about 18 pounds and just showed up on my doorstep a couple days ago, thanks to my parents. So, all right, let me go get some of this stuff washed, and we'll start working on lunch. Yum. Okay, so got everything washed. This is the order of assembly for this contraption. The most important piece being this one right there. This is the type of pasta. I've chosen linguine for today because I haven't had that in a long time either. So anyway, I'm going to put all of this together and then start making some pasta. Exactly the same as looking at the books. So here here for the last few minutes. I'm going to follow these instructions to make 2 batches of pasta, which is 16 ounces or 8 servings. Probably more than I eat today for lunch, but I can have it for dinner or leftovers for tomorrow or something. So I'm sure this will not make a mess at all doing this with all this. But yeah, all you need is flour, salt, 2 eggs, which are in here. I'll have to beat those, and then olive oil, which I have here. So let's get to it. Instruction 1. Oh yeah, so we need 2 containers of flour, and that's one of these guys right here. This is apparently 1 1/4 cups. 1. And 2. There we go. A teaspoon of salt in the batch. Add the flour and salt in the mixing container, close the lid. And we'll close the lid. There, close the lid. Container, they go. And add oil. We need a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add water to get to 150 milliliters on the container. Okay. And start. So there we go. We have 150 milliliters of liquid, which is water, oil, and eggs. Press the power button. Okay. I've pressed the power button. It says on. And then press the batch button twice to select 2 batches. So there's the batch button twice. Okay. Looks like 19 minutes. Oops, there. Huh. There it goes. All right. Slowly add the liquid to the mixing chamber along the entire length of the slot in the lid while the pasta and beyond is mixing. Okay. Slowly. The pasta and beyond will pause to let the dough rest and then begin turning the opposite direction to begin extruding the dough. While the pasta is extruding, cut it to size using the spatula. Okay, that'll be later. Right now I just have to keep pouring in this liquid. Pretty quiet too, not very loud. All right, that's the last of the liquid. Uh-oh. Whoa, something's happening. Here the extrusion process has begun. Okay then. Show this. Yeah, so here's what it's doing. It's the blade thing has started spinning, I guess backwards. It's feeding the extruder, which is spitting out pasta on this side. Just kind of squirting out there. And then I'm using the spatula to cut it off every little bit. It's long enough, I guess. So yeah, kind of cool. Alrighty. Alright, well, that's it. It went through its whole cycle. There's still a little bit of dough in there, it looks like, so I may try to put that through there or save the dough for something else. I don't know. Kind of yeah, not bad though. I mean, just a little bit of dough left over. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up and have some lunch. So here's all the pasta. This looks pretty good, quite a bit. And then this is what's left in the, oops, there we go. This is what's left in the container there. A little bit, but I'm gonna see if I can get that out of there. Okay, I did manage to get another round of dough through there. So I got almost all of it out of there, which is pretty good. So I think it's time to clean up and cook some pasta. I'm not gonna have a cooking show here and show you how to cook pasta. It's not that hard. Boil some water, throw it in there for about 3 minutes, and it should be about done. So yeah, almost lunchtime. This is good. It's done. First pot of pasta from the pasta maker. Got some sauce on there. Put a little Parmesan cheese. Let's see how this tastes. There we go. Oh yeah, that's really good. Definitely worth it. All right, so anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks very much. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. I'm gonna enjoy some spaghetti.